sewer scope.
Yep. Recording the sewer line. Oh, recording the sewer line here at 3859 33rd Ave West, or Southwest. Excuse me. Dates November 18th, 2020. Recording coming back from the main here. This is a common section of sewer line shared with 3 neighboring houses here. So this is a 6-inch diameter section of concrete sewer. And we're recording this from the clean out here. What is this, the south side of the house?
Yep.
South side of the house here. So old concrete pipe, you're starting to get roots through the seams. There's a seam every 2 feet. Concrete, what happens, it starts to get real aggregate along the bottom. Eventually that bottom wears out.
Yep.
Once it wears out, it erodes the dirt around the pipe and collapses the pipe.
Yep.
So that's your eventual scenario. I can't tell you when.
And that's the shared with everybody, or no? That's my own.
This is... Hold on a second. I'm still trying to get the lay of the land here. There's the line there. Is this your own personal line?
And this is still concrete?
No, this is liner. That's this is epoxy, a 2-part epoxy liner that was installed. There's quite a bit of it too. Okay, there's PVC there.
Okay.
So there's a PVC hole dug down there.
And that's going to one of the something in the house?
I think this is to the common line, but I need to double check on that here in a second. I'm going to finish the recording because I'm running out of space on the USB. But then we'll find out where everything is. You have a big, massive root there.
Where?
35 feet or so down.
Oh, man. I thought they replaced it. It's not replaced. I don't get
That is a massive, massive root. I'm surprised you guys haven't had any sewer backups.
Okay.
You're on your way to having one very soon.
Yeah.
That root's massive. So that's the connection for where your main branch line is.
So
That's if you went in there and flushed the toilet, we'd see water come out right there.
oh,
This
right.
out of this, yeah.
This is right here on the property.
Yeah, we're like right here.
Okay. So what did they replace for $13,000?
That section down, further down there.
Further down, but not right.
That actually might be the toilet tie-in right there on the left side. That one I was at was the downspout from the front of the house.
Okay.
Alright, we're going to end the recording there. I'm going to go do some locating.